I'm Bobby Madero. We're called Mauna Lua. Share with you our style of Hawaiian music that we love so very much. Yeah, Richard isn't here. He had to fly over to Maui for an event over there, so we let him go. So we're doing we were going to be billed as Hapa for a little while, and then we said, nah, that's okay, that's always been done, and it's been done a lot, so we're not going to be Hapa tonight, we're simply going to be Mauna Lua, okay guys? And with that said, okay, yes, so I am. Okay, I'm going to feature my brother on this song. Why do you love this song, Kai?
I don't, you just keep asking me to sing it, so I sing it.
So you love the song because I asked you to sing it. That's a simple question. Could have been a simple answer. And you just, okay, so it's a beautiful song that I've always loved.
See, he's so complicated that I just make his life more complicated.
You know what? I'm Portuguese. My life is complicated itself, okay? I complicate myself.
I know. I'm married to a Portuguese lady too.
I know. Both in like a relationship and in a group. So you're very welcome to be blessed with the master race, surrounded all around you, okay guys? So we did this song for each and every one of you that we love so very much, taking us to the island of...
Masking tape.
Not masking tape, master race.
Oh.
Master race, yeah, stop it bro, okay?
You about the color of masking tape?
I got the color of masking tape.
Oh, masking tape, the white stuff.
It's not white, that's flesh tone. No, that's different. That's the kind paint does tape. So I hope you guys enjoy it. This is my brother. Something goes like this.